Hello there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable the search bar in Leonardo AI. Now, as you can see, the search bar is temporarily disabled and it has been for a while. You can see that everywhere, like in this recent creations tab, it's also disabled. In the personal feed, you can search it up, but otherwise, in your community feed, it is disabled. What you're going to do is right click the search bar, inspect element, and scroll all the way down till you find this. Once you hover over it, you can notice that it actually highlights your search bar on your community feed. Like this thing gets highlighted when I hover my mouse over this. What you're going to do is edit as HTML and find this tab where it says disabled. You're going to highlight this and just delete it. You can also delete this text bar where it says search temporarily disabled. You're just going to cut this, close out of it. And now you can see you can access your search bar. And I can type anything in here. For example, and it should search up right here. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.